subscribers I have. No, it's not many, but it's a start. And yeah, thank you again. Okay, now in front of me, I have a 8800 GTS, and I already shot this once, and I didn't really notice what I was when I was showing you guys at the other video that when I was showing you the card, I was showing you up here, you really didn't see it. And I'll show you some bloopers at the end of the video. I'll just put them in there and show you what I'm talking about. But mainly what I wanted to do here was first thing, this is belongs to my brother. It's a 8800 EVJ 8800 GTS. And what I'm doing, I'm just going to clean it out, replace the thermal paste with Arctic Silver 5. Arctic Silver 5. And I'm going to clean it out with Goo Off. I'm going to clean it out, and then I'm going to finish cleaning it off with some alcohol right there. Just a regular alcohol. And here's a thermal tape that you put on your memory and your VMODs, not VMODs, man, I can't think of it what it is right now. But you guys know what I'm talking about. And I know there's other videos about this card and other cards and replacing the, you know, the thermal paste and the thermal pads on it. So yeah, that's all I want to talk about. I have a surprise coming up, and yeah, I just noticed this thing right here. Look at this. I'll show you. I think they used this. They just put another stick over this sticker. I think that this PCB right here, when I took it apart, it had two other spots right there where they didn't have any memory in it. It looks like I think they use this for the 8800 to just put more memory there and overclock it. I'll put the other chip in there, the higher chip. So yeah, that's it. And I purchased this. Oh, sorry about the glare right there. Yeah, PSU modding toolkit from Sunbeam Tech. Yeah, and I got it. Where did I get it from? I can't remember where I bought it from, but I had a receipt there. But anyway, let me show you guys something else. Remember I was telling you guys that I was going to powder coat my case? Well, I just picked it up yesterday. And here is a powder coat. I don't know if you guys can see there, because you kind of, let me adjust the camera. I'll put that there for now. Sorry for that tweaking. Well, that's the other side of the case, the panel. There's that panel. And here are some of the other panels I have. I wrapped it up myself, so I want to be very careful. Okay, that's not all the parts, because I want to, let me pan this down again. That's not all the parts, because I want to, you know, a little teaser for you guys before, when I actually shoot another video of me putting it together, then you actually see the other color that I'm working with. But anyway, this is the top. where the 140 millimeters are going to go. Look at that. Awesome. Here's the front. There's a 120 here. And your CD-ROMs there. Here's the back. Look at that. And here's the bottom. I'm gonna get some new rubbers, put them there. Awesome. Well, anyway, yeah, that's the first video. Just a little teaser, you know, for you guys. That's your card right there. See how hard that is? There's no thermal conduction going through there, even though it's still pretty cool. But even though at 80 degrees Celsius, that's pretty high, and it's still okay to run the card at that. But you want to run it a lot cooler than that. I'm gonna replace all these. Replace that, all these right here. Look how hard it is on that card. Don't even come out for that much. I use just a dab of this goo off. And the trusty Q-tips. Try not to get any inside air. No matter what you do, it always happens. A little can of air just